studying, looting, in 1874. Not all of them went to time, but that what we have here still embodies the soul of Ashanti.
The king also challenged upcoming artists and artisans to be creative and innovative and do better than their forebears in the industry, as it will promote culture and trade and generate revenue for the country and Africa. He added that he has instructed the Misha Palace Museum to design a project to support traditional arts in Ghana.
These were created by our own artisans. Yes, we ask ourselves, are we able to do that in this modern day? No. In those days, in 1874 and anything, if we had artisans who have not been to universities being able to create this, why can't we do this now? So that is also excellent to our students, that's excellent to our young people and all that, to be able to be creative enough to be able to design these artists. So the spirit is back there, and everybody should please visit. So Opemso is there, Benjincha is there, everything up there are all being displayed for you to see that yes, as we said, when they ransacked it, yes, it was true, yes, they are still keeping the artwork, but we also are happy that they agreed to retain some of those to us for the school for our people to see.
A board member of the trustees of the British Museum shared insights about the collaboration and future partnership between the British Museum and the Ashanti Kingdom.
The British Museum recognises the importance of these objects to Ashanti people, and since the 1970s there have been calls for them to return to Ghana. Their display enables people of Ghana to directly engage with these objects and their history in a new and important that has not been possible before. We at the British Museum are wholly committed to continuing this relationship, building on this loan in a manner based on friendship, trust, mutual respect and a willingness to discuss. In this respect, I am delighted that during his visit to the UK in the summer, Your Royal Majesty will give a lecture at the British Museum focusing on Ashanti culture and heritage.
UNESCO representative in Ghana commended Ghana for the effort and fight for the return of the looted items.
UNESCO clearly states that the return and restitution of cultural property is central to the 1970 Convention, and its duty is not only to remember, but to fundamentally safeguard the identity of peoples and to promote peaceful society whereby the spirit of solidarity will be strengthened. Thus, the 1970 Convention aligns with the Sustainable Development Goal defined by the United Nations 2030 Development Agenda. There are more to be identified and returned, as my predecessor have spoken, and return to Ghana and continue to push for their return. We may also look at and resolve internal challenges around cultural property taken during local wars or conflicts. I commend Ghana for its effort in championing the return, reparations and restitution agenda for Africa in its diaspora.
The Misha Palace is urging the public to visit the museum and learn more about these artifacts. The return of looted